Hi, my name is Emily Heller, and today we are going to look into how we can integrate PR theories into effective communication strategies. So let's begin. So before we can get into all this, let's look at the importance of PR theories. PR theories are essential for guiding communication strategies in organizations. They provide structured frameworks that help practitioners understand how communication works, how messages are received, and how relationships with stakeholders are built and maintained. These theories offer insights into public opinion dynamics, media influence, and reputation management, allowing practitioners to create effective messages and be proactive when handling crisis. Ethical communication, transparency, and responsiveness to stakeholders concerns are core principles emphasized by PR theories. These principles are critical for building trust and credibility, which are vital for sustained organizational success. So let's look at one of the PR theories, and it's the excellence theory. So the excellence theory promotes balanced communication where organizations engage in meaningful dialogue with their stakeholders. This theory emphasizes the importance of two-way communication, focusing on building relationships based on trust and mutual understanding rather than just spreading information. For example, the clothing brand Patagonia really exemplifies the excellence theory with this commitment to transparency and sustainability. Patagonia involves stakeholders in their sustainability efforts by openly sharing information about their sourcing practices, environmental initiatives, and the impact of their products. So they publish detailed reports on their website, engage with customers through social media, and invite feedback on their practices. This approach not only enhances Patagonia's brand reputation, but also fosters long-term loyalty among environmentally conscious consumers. By being transparent about their environmental impact and actively involving stakeholders in their mission, Patagonia builds trust and shows genuine commitment to their values. This engagement creates a community of loyal customers who are not only satisfied with the product, but are also aligned with the brand's ethical stance. Additionally, Patagonia has a worn wear program, which encourages customers to repair and reuse their clothing. This promotes sustainability and engages customers in dialogue about responsible consumption. By doing this, Patagonia strengthens its relationship with its stakeholders and reinforces commitment to environmental sustainability. So the other theory we have is the dialogue theory. The dialogue theory is all about creating real two-way conversation between organizations and their stakeholders. It focuses on mutual understanding and engagement, not just sending out messages. Instead of just talking at people, organizations using dialogue theory listen and respond. They build relationships based on openness and trust. A great example of this is Airbnb. Airbnb actively uses feedback from reviews and social media to improve their services. They encourage guests to leave reviews and use their feedback to make changes, whether it's improving the platform, addressing complaints, or enhancing the host experience. But it doesn't stop there. Airbnb engages directly with users on social media. They answer questions, respond to complaints, and join discussions to better understand what customers need and want. This approach helps them improve their services and build a loyal customer base. For instance, if users report an issue or suggest an improvement, Airbnb doesn't just acknowledge it, they take action to make change. This shows customers that their opinions matter and that the company is dedicated to providing the best possible experience. Airbnb also has initiatives like Airbnb Host Advisory Board, where they involve hosts in decision-making processes. This ensures that the voices of their hosts are heard and considered in the company's plans. In short, the dialogue theory highlights the importance of real two-way communication. It's about building strong relationship through open dialogue, and communities that use this approach, like Airbnb, can better meet their stakeholders' needs and create stronger, lasting relationships. So, strategic communication. So, theories such as excellence and dialogue theory play a crucial role in shaping strategic communication plans within an organization. They provide frameworks that emphasize trust, transparency, and meaningful engagement with stakeholders. By applying these theories, organizations can effectively manage their reputation and build lasting relationships based on mutual understanding and respect. So, a case study example, a notable example illustrating their application is Johnson & Johnson's response to the Tylenol crisis in the 1980s. During this crisis, several bottles of Tylenol were tampered with, resulting in multiple deaths. Johnson & Johnson's immediate actions included recalling all Tylenol products nationwide, ceasing production, and collaborating openly with law enforcement and health authorities. Their transparent communication and confidence in their transparent communication and commitment to public safety not only minimized further harm, but also restored consumer trust and confidence within the brand. This case demonstrates how principles from communication theories can guide effective crisis management and reputation recovery strategies. So how does social media impact PR? These PR theories? Well, social media has fundamentally transformed modern PR practices by providing immediate, widespread communication channels. This digital landscape enables organizations to amplify their messages, engage directly with stakeholders, and respond quickly to emerging issues and crises. One of the most impactful use of social media in PR is during crisis management. For example, when an incident of racial bias occurred at a Starbucks location, the company used Twitter to communicate directly with the public. They apologized, outlined their plan to address the issue, and even closed the stores for racial bias training. This transparent and proactive communication helped Starbucks manage the crisis and rebuild trust within their customers. Another example is Delta Airlines, which uses Twitter to handle flight disruptions during major storms or technical issues. Delta provides real-time updates, responds to passenger questions, and offers solutions like rebooking flights or providing vouchers. This immediate and open communication helps alleviate passenger frustration and maintain a positive relationship with customers. Beyond crisis management, social media also plays a crucial role in proactive brand building and continuous stakeholder engagement. Companies like Nike use platforms like Instagram and Twitter to share inspiring stories, showcase new products, and interact with followers. This ongoing engagement helps build a strong, positive brand image and fosters loyalty among their customer base. So, in this dynamic environment, it is crucial for PR professionals to adopt agile strategies that align with evolving audience expectations and media consumption habits. So, social media allows organizations to communicate directly and transparently with their audience, helping to maintain trust and credibility even in the most challenging times. So, PR theories emphasize ethical considerations to ensure communication practices are transparent, respectful, and credible. These principles guide practitioners in navigating complex ethical dilemmas and building trust within their audience. So let's take Google, for example. They integrate strict privacy policies into its PR strategies. By prioritizing data protection and transparency, Google enhances its reputation and maintains trust with users and stakeholders. These ethical practices not only comply with regulations, but also demonstrate corporate responsibility and integrity in communications. So, in conclusion, today we covered excellence theory and dialogue theory, focusing on effective communication and ethical practices in PR. These theories provide framework to enhance engagement with stakeholders and ensure transparency. By integrating these insights, you can strengthen your organization's communication strategies and cultivate meaning relationships with your audience. And remember, Ethical conduct is key to sustaining trust and credibility in all your communications. So that's it for your presentation. I just want to say thank you for your time today. And yep, thank you.